What if you could wake up every day without worrying about money? Imagine living life on your own terms, free from financial stress. In this video, I'll share a simple, step-by-step guide to achieving financial freedom. Stick around because your journey starts now. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we talk all things money, success, and personal growth. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, we're diving into Financial Freedom 101, breaking it down into easy steps that anyone can follow. Whether you're drowning in debt or just starting out, this guide is for you. Ready? Let's go. Step 1. Define financial freedom. The first step to financial freedom is defining what it means for you. For some, it's retiring early. For others, it's living debt-free or having the freedom to travel. Take a moment to visualize your ideal life and write down your goals. Remember, financial freedom isn't one size fits all. It's about creating the life you want. Step 2. Create a budget that works. Next, let's talk about budgeting. You can't achieve financial freedom without knowing where your money is going. Start by tracking your spending and creating a budget that fits your lifestyle. Apps like Mint or YNAB make this super easy. Stick to the 50-30-20 rule, 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Step 3. Pay off debt strategically. Debt is one of the biggest barriers to financial freedom. Use strategies like the debt snowball method, paying off your smallest debts first, or the debt avalanche method, which focuses on high-interest debts. Every time you eliminate a debt, you're one step closer to your goal. Don't forget to celebrate those wins. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, which is why an emergency fund is non-negotiable. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of expenses in a high-yield savings account. This safety net will protect you from financial setbacks and keep you on track toward your goals. Step 5. Invest for the future. Now it's time to make your money work for you. Start investing as early as possible, whether it's in a 401k, IRA, or even index funds. Don't worry if you're a beginner. There are tons of resources to help you get started. Remember, the key to building wealth is consistency and time. Step 6. Diversify your income streams. Relying on just one source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, freelancing, or passive income opportunities to create a safety net. The more income streams you have, the faster you'll achieve financial freedom. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to financial freedom. Which step are you going to tackle first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on mastering your money. Thanks for watching, and here's to living the life you deserve.